Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water softeners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Vivore RV Water Softener, a versatile and portable solution for combating hard water. With a capacity of 16,000 grains and food-grade resin that lasts up to 5 years, this compact softener is perfect for RVs, trailers, boats, and even pressure washing. Its quick regeneration process requires just 52 ounces of salt, making it cost-efficient for frequent use. The design features durable brass fittings, a 42-inch hose for easy connection, and a robust polyethylene tank that withstands high water pressure up to 150 psi. Installation is straightforward. You won't need tools or electricity, and it takes just 5 minutes to set up. Whether you're on a camping trip or using it for household water filtration, the ergonomic handle ensures hassle-free portability. However, this unit is best suited for moderate water hardness levels. So if your water has extreme hardness, it might require more frequent regeneration. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those on a budget who need a mobile water softening solution without compromising performance. Pros include its affordability, durability, and ease of use. On the downside, its smaller capacity may not be ideal for larger households or heavy water usage. Coming in at number 4 is the OTG4VMDBLoft Portable Compact Double Standard 16,000 Grain Water Softener by On The Go. This unit stands out as the largest compact RV water softener on the market, providing up to 40% more soft water capacity compared to similar models. It's perfect for RV and marine users who need reliable, long-lasting performance, producing up to 1,600 gallons of soft water before requiring regeneration. Its design is compact yet robust, featuring a convenient carry handle, a large mouth opening for easy salt addition, and high-grade resin for efficient water softening. The unit is travel-friendly with leak-proof caps and plugs, and connects easily with garden hoses, making installation a breeze. Regeneration takes less than 30 minutes with just 2 boxes of table salt, ensuring minimal downtime. While it excels in portability and soft water output, the OTG4VMDBLoft is tailored for specific use cases like RVs and boats, which may limit its appeal for household setups. Pros include its high capacity, easy regeneration, and durable build. Cons include a higher price point compared to similar portable units, and limited use in larger residential systems. At number 3, we have the NP Global RV Water Softener, a reliable and portable water treatment system designed for RVs, trailers, boats, and mobile applications. This unit offers immediate soft water with a capacity of 16,000 grains, making it suitable for small to medium-sized water usage scenarios. It regenerates quickly using table salt and provides softer water within minutes, ensuring your skin and hair stay protected from the effects of hard water. The design includes NSF-certified food-grade resin and a sturdy base, ensuring durability and safety for long-term use. It effectively reduces heavy metals like iron and radium, improving water quality and smell while preventing scale buildup. Installation is simple, and the compact form factor makes it easy to transport or store, ideal for those who need a cost-effective and portable solution. The NP Global RV Water Softener delivers great performance at a mid-range price point. However, its smaller size may not be suitable for households with high water demands. Pros include quick regeneration, safe materials, and effective heavy metal reduction. Cons revolve around its limited capacity for larger-scale applications and occasional need for frequent regeneration in extremely hard water conditions. In the runner-up spot, at number 2, is the Aqua Bliss High-Output Revitalizing Shower Filter. This affordable option is perfect for anyone looking to combat the effects of hard water on their skin, hair, and nails without breaking the bank. Using a multi-stage filtration system with redox media, activated carbon, and ceramic beads, this filter reduces chlorine, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and odors while balancing pH levels and infusing beneficial minerals. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools, and it's compatible with various shower types, including fixed, rain, and handheld models. The build quality is solid, with chrome finishing that complements most bathroom designs. Customers rave about its immediate impact on dry skin, dandruff, and brittle nails, making it an excellent choice for personal care. While the Aqua Bliss filter is great for targeted use, it doesn't soften water for broader applications like drinking or laundry. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and noticeable personal care benefits. On the downside, it's limited to shower use and may not satisfy those needing a full house water softening solution. And finally, at the top spot, we have the AOSmith Whole House Salt-Free Descaler System. This premium unit is a game changer for households looking for a comprehensive water treatment solution. Unlike traditional softeners, this system uses a salt-free, chemical-free method to reduce scale buildup in pipes and plumbing without removing essential minerals. It's perfect for households of 4 or more and works with both well and city water supplies. The design is sleek and durable, featuring a long-lasting build that handles up to 600,000 gallons of water or 6 years of usage. Installation is straightforward, requiring no electricity, backwashing, or salt bags. It's a low-maintenance solution for moderate hardness levels, ideal for drinking, cooking, showering, and bathing. While the AOSmith system excels in scale prevention, it doesn't technically soften water or reduce TDS levels, which might be a drawback for those requiring traditional softening effects. Its higher price point reflects its premium features and longevity. Pros include its whole house coverage, salt-free operation, and long lifespan. Cons include its inability to remove hardness minerals and suitability primarily for moderate hardness levels. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.